Good morning, my dear children. Let's begin our English grammar class. Today, I am going to start the chapter, seventh chapter, that is pronoun. So, what are pronouns? Pronouns are the words that are used to replace nouns are called pronoun. Sometimes we get to see the noun using repeatedly. For example, I can tell you Arun is a boy. Arun is in the park. Arun is riding a bike. So I am telling repeatedly Arun, Arun, Arun. So when the same name is being repeated, is it doesn't sound good, isn't it? So in place of writing the name repeatedly, what we can do, we can write pronoun in place of writing Arun. Okay. So the words that are used in place of a noun are called pronoun. So for masculine gender, we write pronoun he. For feminine gender, we write she. And it, it, we write it uh, for place, animal, or a thing. Fine, we never write it for masculine or feminine gender. We only write it only for place, animal, or thing. So here you can see that tick the correct pronoun in each sentence. Anaya has moved to Mumbai. We have not seen her. Why her? Because Anaya is a girl. Then Rupak lives next door. I first met him at the park. Why the answer is him? Because Rupak is a boy. The Taj Mahal is in Agra. I hope to visit it someday. The answer is it. And what I told you that it is used for place, animal, or a thing. We never write it for human being. Okay, so here Taj Mahal, it's a thing, so in place of Taj Mahal we must write it. Fine. Then the bus leaves at 2 o'clock. We should go to the bus stop. We never write us should go, no? So we write we should go to the bus stop now. Number fifth, the children were very good. It was lovely having them. The children mean it's a plural number. So plural number for that they, the plural number of they, that is them. Sorry, and the plural number what we can write here, them. Them spend the day with us. Bina is a confident girl. Bina is a name of a girl. So in place of Bina, she has to be written. Participates in many activities at school. Next comes to that personal pronoun and possessive pronoun. So personal pronoun, just now I told you that I, we, he, she, it, these all are they, them, these all are personal pronoun. Okay. Now what are possessive pronoun? Possessive pronoun means when we write possessive pronoun, when it shows something belongs to someone. In previous chapter noun, we learned that possessive noun. So what it shows, the noun which show that something belongs to someone are called possessive noun. So that that there it was possessive noun, but here in place of noun, pronoun has to be written, and the same thing that when it shows something belongs to someone, it is possessive pronoun. So you can see the coat is mine. The coat belongs to whom? The coat is mine. It belongs to me. So mine, it's a possessive pronoun here. The umbrella is hers. Whose umbrella it is? The umbrella belongs to whom? To you, not to me. It belongs to hers. So this hers, it is a possessive pronoun. The car is there. The car belongs to them. So theirs is a possessive pronoun. So here it is given to circle only the possessive pronoun in this sentence. The cat sleeps in that basket. It is hers. Cat sleeps in the basket. That belongs to whom? It is hers. Belongs to her. Tarun and I work together on the project. The work is ours. Whose project it is? Whose work it is? Ours. Okay. Did you forget to bring tiffin today? You can have some of mine. So these all underlined circled words are possessive pronoun. Next, given, fill in the blanks with personal or possessive pronoun. You have to understand where we have to write personal pronoun and where to use possessive pronoun. Chetan went camping to Kulu. He had a wonderful time. Why he? Because Chetan is a boy. Dash, have Dash ever played a game called Pictionary? That is you. It is so much fun. Why it? It means it refers to that game, and we use it to in place of that animals things. So game. So in place of that game, it is written. Okay. So in that way, all the exercises are solved here. You just fill it properly. Next comes to that homework part. Replace the underlined noun with pronoun and rewrite these sentences. Dhruv is sitting on the bench. Dhruv is a boy. So what we should write in place of Dhruv, you have to write it on your own. I'm not going to tell you the answer. Nina and Kajal are making lemonade. Nina and Kajal, plural numbers are there. So you have to find out that what pronouns should we write here. Okay, Tina and I, again plural number, not a singular number. So plural number, you have to Tina and I. In place of that Tina and I, we have to write pronoun, and what has to be written, you only have to decide that. My sister gave me a book to read. The book is very funny. In place of the book, use pronoun, but remember what I told, that he only for masculine gender, she only for feminine gender, and it for things, animals. So what has to be written here, you just find out and do it. So this all about today's class. So till here for today. Take care of yourself. Thank you.